Hi friends, welcome to my channel Fashion Chit Chat. Friends, today video is about type of makeup products with their names. So let's start the video. First one is primer. The next is concealer. The next is foundation. The next is contour. The next is blush. The next is highlighter. The next is makeup setting spray. The next is bullet lipstick. The next is liquid lipstick. The next is lip liner. The next is lip balm. The next is kajal. The next is eyeliner. The next is mascara. The next is eyeshadow. The next is eye primer. The next is nail paint. The next is makeup brushes. The next is nail paint remover. The next is eyelashes. The next is beauty blender. And the last is makeup remover. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Take care of you.